of you. This is Hajra Mahesh of 9th grade before you, feeling highly privileged to entertain you in Paramita TED Student Talk. My heartfelt, melodious welcome to you all. Geetam Vadyamcha Nrutyamcha Sangeetam Uchate. According to Samaveda, lyrical melody, instrumental music and rhythmic dance complete the cycle of Sangeet, the art of music. I uttered melodious welcome as I am going to share how music is boon to mankind. Whether it may be Indian classical music or Western rock music, they have the power of lifting our spirits to the higher conscious state. No doubt about it. Usually, when we listen to a song and say, wow, our heart longs us to listen it again. A blissful feeling takes us to a peaceful state. A burdened heart floats in the ocean of joyfulness. French poet Mr. Alphonse says rightly, music is the literature of heart. It starts where the speech ends. Yes, I agree with it. When we are in a pensive mood, refer to a literature of heart, swim in the ocean of bliss. Music swallows this mood, music kills physical and mental disorder and saves life. How? Maybe a question. I'll come with the answer later. Now, let us listen to a beautiful song which our TED leader Arya Shri is going to sing.
मेरे नैना सावन भादो फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा मेरे नैना सावन भादो फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा बात पुरानी है एक कहानी है अब सोचूं तुम्हें याद नहीं है अब सोचूं नहीं भूले वो सावन के झूले रुत आए रुत जाए देकर फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा.
Thank you, Arya Shri. This is famous and melodious Hindi song. See the magic of music. The song which my friend sang is sung with a burden of heart in the movie. The same melodious song removes the burden of heart. This is the power of music. The song which my friend sang is in Shivaranjani Raga. Dear adults, make your child listen to this song and improve their memory power. You too listen to this song and come out of the stress of your child non-performance in studies. आपके और आपके संतान के बीच शिवरांजनी रागा का बंधन है, उसका प्रयोग कर स्ट्रेस से मुक्त हो जाइए. This Shivaranjani Raga is usually sung or heard between 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. According to Samaveda, therapeutically, this raga is very useful in increasing memory power. It is said that Shivaranjani Raga releases the pressure and reduces stress. When we engross listening to this raga, tears roll down the cheeks dripping like raindrops. Healing comes through tears, relaxing the neurons. Mrs. Gan Saraswati Kishori, a great Indian vocal musician, says that Indian classical music is not just an entertainment, but satisfies the wants of listeners, handles the diseases, and changes the emotions. Samaveda says, Kul Manushyanam Sangeetam Priya. It means, by birth itself, human beings have innate abilities to respond to music. Babies falling asleep to melodious lullabies is a proof. Now, let me share you the miracles of Indian classical music recorded in Indian history during Akbar's regime. Tansin was a great Indian classical musician. Once, in order to put him in trouble, some other courtiers asked the king to make Tansen light the oil lamps with his song, because Tansen had earlier declared that Indian classical music has the power of lighting the lamp without fire. Taking the order of king, Tansen sang Raga Deepak and lit the lamp. Then sang Mega Malhar song and cooled the area by making it rain again. Now, let us listen to one more beautiful song by Arya Shri.
तेरे मेरे बीच में, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना, कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना। तूने नहीं जाना, मैंने नहीं जाना, तूने नहीं जाना, मैंने नहीं जाना। तेरे मेरे बीच में, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना, कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना।
Thank you, Arya Shri. I was personally exposed to Raga Chikitsa session, which was conducted by our school for the citizens of Karimnagar. Our school chairman, Dr. E. Prasad Rao sir, invited Mrs. Nimisha Shankar, who is a famous musician and a healer. She, in her session, sang different ragas and activated 7 chakras in human body. I was a part of it and it really inspired me a lot. As a result, I took up the effect of music as my TED talk and did a little research and presenting today. Indian classical music therapy addresses many health disorders. According to ancient Indian text, Swara Shastra, 72 Malakarta ragas control the 72 important nerves in the body. Sindhu Bhairavi raga is useful in curing headache, back pain and chest pain. Ahir Bhairavi and Todi raga diffuse hypertension. Kinetic raga Sahana brings down the anger and violence within. I think you all heard Nasiri Ram. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. It has crowds of fans across the globe since ages. Famous Austrian musician Mozart has composed it in 17th century. The effect of Mozart can't be described in words. A research done by University of California revealed that Mozart music increases IQ, cuts learning time, calms hyperactive children and adults, heals body faster, and improves creativity. Music is music. It is a divine gift. Some news reporters have reported that researchers have discovered direct evidence that Mozart music stimulates different regions of brain which are responsible for memory, motor control, timing, and language. Since I started to peep into the benefits of music, I found a lot of it. Okay, let's forget about all the outcomes of researchers. When we feel sad or uncomfortable, if we listen to our favorite melodious song, we feel happy and very much relaxed. This is a sufficient proof of positive effect of music on our mind and body. I advise great leaders of big firms to know the benefits of music and conduct workshops to address problems of your employees. Instead of swallowing pills, please give food of music to your mind and lead a healthy life. Dear friends, start the day listening to your favorite melodious song and end the day with the same. Make music a friend of yours who give you a great solace. Thank you one and all.